Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous apartment, and it is at the Novell Turtle Creek. It's got these fantastic views. Look at these gorgeous views, all these windows, and the stunning kitchen and living room. The kitchen is just amazing. It's gorgeous. It has gas to cook with, has plenty of space to host just wonderful events, or you can just host your own that special someone in your life, small party, family, friends, whatever. They're all going to love it here at the Novell Turtle Creek. You've got great views waiting for you. We do have a wonderful balcony as well. You can step out at any time and then see some fantastic views of the city. This is in the middle of Turtle Creek, but you also have Uptown nearby, downtown, Highland Park, University Park, Preston Hollow, the airport, so many other features, American Airlines Center, Victory Park, so much to do close by. It's a great location. You're going to love the crisp feel here. All the amenities are amazing. We're going to explore that on some other videos we're about to do. So get ready for those. But this is a beautiful place to be. What I might recommend is to do a virtual tour. We can set that virtual tour up for free. It's a part of our free service to help you find your perfect apartment here in Dallas. My number is below. Just simply text me on that number. Just say, "Hi, Grant." You can request that virtual tour, and we'll take care of that right away. This is the beautiful Novell Turtle Creek 2-bedroom, and let's go take another video. We're going to do one final quick walkthrough.